You've been through this station a few times, haven't you? This is the 32nd trip for Mark to Japan. Only my second. You've been holding out on me. Corridor with the smoking room and the bathrooms. Shin Osaka Station. Shin means new, so there's an Osaka station, and this is the newer Osaka station. And we're looking for the taxi stand. We just arrived at our hotel at the Osaka Hilton. And Mark told me to vlog it because he's been here 27 times and he said it's beautiful. This is one of the executive suites, and it is pretty, and it is large by Japanese standards. So we've got a really nice setup here, big TV, nice little table. I love this over here by the window, all the seating space. If Mark gets too rowdy, I can kick him out and make him sleep over here. And then we have a king-size bed. And unlike the beds you've seen in a lot of my videos of Europe, this is a true king. It's not two twins pushed together. Then here we've got a little beverage area, a refrigerator. And this is actually a mini bar, so there is stuff in it. And here we've got tea and coffee supplies and tea and coffee glassware and a few little snacks, some makings for cocktails, and a bottle of wine. This looks like it's an adjoining room. We've got a connecting door there. Nice full-length mirror. And then it's got the traditional Japanese styling here. And you can open it up, and then you have a semi-transparent window into the shower. And I think that would be nice for letting the light in. I don't know why else you would use that. And then let's take a look at the bathroom. Oops. Very nice vanity area. Nice and big. Nice lighted mirror. The traditional Japanese toilet. And this one flushes here. Some of them have a button. But the neat thing about Japanese toilets is you have all these controls over here. They function as a bidet. Over here in the corner, we have some nice little shelves and a nice little assortment of amenities. A few more. Another magnifying mirror, which is really nice for me because I need that these days. And then a little step up here into a separate room for the bathtub and shower. So you've got a nice, deep bathtub, and I love that in Japan. But this whole room is actually your shower. So you've got your shower and your bathtub together. And that's why this is raised up. This is actually your shower. You can see it drains there. And the neat thing about the bathtubs here, you'll notice, Mark explained it to me, there's no caulk here. And you think, where does all that water go? Well, it's made to do that, and it all drains under to a drainage pan, and it all goes out in this drain that's in the floor. So it's very efficient. I would imagine it cuts down a lot on mold. I wish we had that at home. Over here we have a storage alcove, and as most hotels do, they left us some pajamas, his and hers. It looks like we have 2 closets. This is a nice large one. Lots of hangers, robes, slippers, and a safe, a shoe brush, an ironing board, which I'm glad to have. Our last one did not have an ironing board. And I have seen these irons here. It comes all in one case. I'll have to get that out and play with it later. And then over here, it looks like we have another smaller closet with lots of shelves. That's going to be really nice too. So over on each side of the bed, you have a universal plug here. So just about any US plug or Japanese plug will fit in it.
Or European.
Or European, yeah.
Most Europeans
the EU.
as well as the New Zealand.
Yeah. And then you've got a USB plug underneath it, which almost all of us need nowadays. And then up here, you've got a whole bank of...
You have all the lights, so you can turn them all off or on at one time, or you can change the entry right where you came in. You have the room light on and off. You have the light for the bed. Now, each one of the beds has their own little reading light that you can adjust for, so that's really nice too.
What does the night light look like?
It puts a glow underneath the bed. I don't know if you can see it real well now.
We'll have to look at that tonight.
Yeah, you'll see it.
Oh, and I didn't show you the view. Let's see what kind of view we have. And how do you like these? These are very traditional Japanese style windows here. They're so pretty. I love that. And then to block out the light, you have another set of sliding doors here. So that's very traditional. But let's look at our view. And here's my first real view of Osaka too from up here. Nice big city, about a little over 2 million people. Not nearly as big as Tokyo, which is 9 million, but still a good sized city. Oh, we even have a doorbell. I guess I should let Mark in now. Would you like to come in, sir?
Oh, I'd love to come in. Thank you, lady.
And this is a first. I've never seen this in a hotel. Rather than having to hang a placard on your door, you've got a light that says do not disturb, and you've got one that says please make up the room. I really like that. And outside it shows do not disturb or make the room up.
You are somebody.
We're on the 3rd floor. Mark's taking you to the executive lounge. Everything's so big and wide open and clean looking. And I mean clean lines, but cleanliness as well. The Golden Key Club. The executive lounge.
So this is the lounge here.
Oh.
So we'll come back a little later.
It's very pretty. Room number?
3004. Now they're going to put quite a spread out here. And speak of the devil.
Hey! Hey, you're on. Smile, you're on candid camera.
Yeah.
So we're too early for happy hour, but a little bit later this will all be filled with a big spread for happy hour for those on the executive level. You have lots of tables and a nice view, and if you need to keep up with world news, you can come back to this little room. So it's really, really pretty. It's very big.